How to sign in to YouTube Music account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in to your YouTube Music account. To sign in to your YouTube Music account, you will need to have your Google account. Now, here tap on the YouTube Music application on your mobile device, and soon after opening the application, here at the bottom you will be able to locate Sign In button. Simply tap on it and now you will be presented with a pop-up. Here now you will need to select a Google account in order to sign in to your YouTube Music account. Simply tap on any one of your Google account if you have multiple accounts and then wait for a few seconds. After that you will see you have been signed in to your YouTube Music account using your Google account. Simply tap on the initial or the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and then there you will be able to locate your account. Now once you have created an account on it, you can start playing the music and explore. Here you'll also be able to download the music which you can play it later. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign in to your YouTube Music account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.